Can you solve this easiest level question which is on LeetCode? That is to find the kth missing number. I swear man, it is the easiest question on the LeetCode you will find. So, hey what's up guys, welcome to my DSA challenge and this is day 49 of it. And this is how my LeetCode profile looks like on day 49. So let's move back to the problem. This is problem number 1539, which is to find kth missing positive number. We are given an array of positive integers sorted and an integer k. So we have to return the kth positive integer. So for example, if we take this array, which contains elements 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, and the k value is 5, we have to return the fifth missing number from this array. And I'm going to tell you that the array is going to start from 1 to the max element, which is 11. So this array has 1 to 11. So counting the fifth missing element in this array, which would be like the array will go from 1 to 11. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the missing fifth number would be like the first would be 1, second would be 5, 6, 8, 9. So the fifth missing number would be 9. So we are getting output as 9. And in the second example, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the key is second. So find second missing number. The As you can see in this case, the array contains all the elements. There is not a single one missing. So we have to move out of the boundary of this array, which would be 5 and 6. So sixth will be the second missing number. That is, we are getting output as 6. So coming back to solution, there are two ways to solve this problem. The first is brute force and the second is optimal. So in brute force, we are going to keep the track of missing number. That is, if the I element does not belong to the array, we are going to increment the counter. And once the counter is equal to k, simply return that I. And in the optimal solution, we are going to use binary search. So in this, we are going to use another function, which is to find missing number k. So I'm going to show you how it is. First, we are setting low as 1 and high as max element plus k. Because in case if all the elements are present like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, the max would be going up to like max element plus k. That is 4 plus 2, 6. So it would go up to 6. And as the k value changes. So that's how it is. And after that, we are going to first find mid. And we are going to pass that mid value onto the next function, which is going to find as k. So for finding k, it is simple. First, we are going to use for loop. We are initially setting count as 0 and using for loop. And if the array element is less than that value, which is mid, we are going to counter plus plus, or else we are going to break from the loop. And at last, we are going to return value minus count, which is going to give us the missing numbers which are occurring before the value. The value is made, obviously. And in case if the k missing is less than k, we are increasing the boundary. We are like eliminating the left half and moving to right, which is low equal to mid plus 1, or else we are going high equal to mid minus 1. And at last, we are going to return low. So that's it for today.